How to fix a Twitter or X app not working in your device. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, make sure that you have updated your X app. To make sure, head over to your Play Store and type in X or Twitter. If you see update instead of open, update your app. Once done, head over to your settings. Scroll below to apps and here search for X. As you do so, tap onto Twitter and under usage, you will see storage. Tap onto it and clear the data. By clearing this data, you will delete all of your login history and your saved credentials. If you'd still like to continue, then tap on delete. If not, you can tap on cancel. Clear the cache, go back, and under app info page of X, tap on force stop on your bottom right. Then tap on OK. Now, restart your device, get logged into your Twitter account, and this shall fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.